You open Google, click on a link, and boom, you are on a website. But have you never stopped to think what actually is in a website? Like what happened behind the screens? You type something like youtube.com, amazon.in. It's so normal now that we don't even question it. But understanding how a website actually works, where the internet start makes sense. A website is basically a collection of pages that live on the internet, just like a digital version of a shop, a book, or even a house. Every page you visit, whether there is a blog, a YouTube video, or an online store, it's built using the code like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Think of it like this is the structure, like in a walls of a house. CSS is the design, the paint, layout, and the style. And the JavaScript brings everything to the life, buttons, movements, or lights. Here is what actually happens behind the scene. When you type in a website name, let's say youtube.com, your browser sends in a request to a computer somewhere in the world called in a server. That server holds all files and data for that site. The server then sends the data back to your browser, and your browser builds it into the web pages. You see, it is all happen in less than a second. So every website you visit, just your device talking to another device, exchanging the data at lightning speed. Now not every website is same. There are static websites, simple ones that don't change much, like a portfolio or landing pages. And then there are dynamic websites like an Instagram or Netflix, constantly pull new content from database and server. From other professional websites, another are business or e-commerce sites. But no matter what type of that, the idea is the same. A website is how people connect, share, learn, and do businesses online. Here is the part most people miss. Have you a website is like owning your space on the internet. Social media platforms come and go, but your website, that's yours. It's anywhere you build your brand, tell your story, and reach the world directly. No algorithm deciding who sees it. That's the power of having your own site. So next time you open a website, don't just see it as a bunch of text and images. See it as a living system, a mix of a design, code, and creativity all working together. And if you never thought about making one yourself, trust me, start now. Because of building your first website is not just learning code, it is learning how the digital world really works.